Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope so you are all fine. Today our topic of discussion is car insurance quotes. So let's discuss about our topic. First of all, we will discuss about the components of car insurance quotes. So let's discuss them. Liability coverage, collision coverage, comprehensive coverage, uninsured or underinsured coverage, rental car coverage, roadside assistance and medical payments coverage. These are the components of a car insurance coverage. So now let's discuss about the factors. These are the factors affecting car insurance coverage. So you should keep it in your mind. First one is age and gender. Second one is driving history. Third one is location. Fourth one is make and model. And the fifth one is age of the vehicle. The next is level of coverage, deductible amount, and credit score. These are the factors which affect the car insurance quotes. So now let's discuss about the tips for getting accurate quotes. So let's discuss them one by one. On the time of insurance, you should provide accurate information to the company. You should be honest with the insurance company. You should ask about the discounts. You should understand the policy terms. You should review and update regularly. And you should consider different coverage options. And you should compare quotes from multiple insurance companies. You shouldn't be dependent on just one company. So that was our video. I hope so you will like it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.